Have you experienced sudden flooding in your home or business due to a storm or a broken pipe? CCS Property Services offers 24-hour services for home and business owners requiring emergency water cleanup in Green Bay, Wisconsin. The company provides a number of services, including water extraction, dehumidification, disinfection, and odor removal. It introduced the service to address emergency situations caused by sudden flooding, which may happen at any time. In the event of flooding, it is critical to begin the extraction process as quickly as possible in order to minimize the damage it may cause. Its technicians can usually respond to your emergency within an hour to begin the restoration process. Don't let water ruin your home or business. Remember that you can rely on CCS Property Services for every emergency repair you may need. Find out more at ccsPPS.com.